In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change user account name on Windows 11 operating system. Changing your user account name on Windows 11 is important for personalization, professionalism, and security. Using a unique name can improve security by avoiding default admin names, helping multiple accounts management on the same device. On your desktop, simply head to the search bar. Search for Control Panel. Let me make it a little bit wider. On this page, on View By, make sure to select on Category. On User Accounts, click down below on Change Account Type. Select the user you want to make changes on. Select on Change the account name. Enter your preferred name and tap on Change Name. Your user account name will get changed successfully. This protects your privacy, especially on shared devices, and ensures consistency across various platforms and services. That's how easy it is to change username of account on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.